Do you want to get rid of your belly fat quickly but you've already tried everything and still haven't seen results? Then this video is just for you. It will show you exactly how you can start losing weight in just a few weeks. And if you follow this routine for just 7 days, you'll feel the difference yourself. You'll notice your weight dropping and you'll start to feel more comfortable in your body. You must watch the video till the end without skipping any part. Every second contains a step that can help transform your body. Let's start this journey together because your transformation starts now. Before moving, if you are new to my channel, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Welcome to Lena Jones, where fitness meets freedom and your body learns to burn fat smarter, not harder. Today's video isn't just a workout, it's your first step toward finally flattening your belly, reclaiming your energy, and waking up with purpose. We get it, life is busy. You're tired of fad diets, exhausting workouts, or fitness influencers who make it all seem easy. You want something real, something that fits into your day and actually delivers. That's what today's 10-minute belly fat destroyer is all about. Each move in this routine is specifically chosen to activate your core, increase fat-burning hormones, and fire up your metabolism before you even have your first cup of coffee. You don't need equipment. You don't need space. You just need the commitment to push play and stay with me through the full 10 minutes. And I promise, if you do this daily for just 7 days, you'll feel lighter, stand taller, and maybe even start seeing real changes in the mirror. Stick around until the end. I'll reveal one simple post-workout habit that multiplies your fat-burning results naturally. Let's dive in. Your transformation starts right now. Exercise 1. Hollow body hold. Time to challenge your mental and physical strength with the hollow body hold, an elite core move used by gymnasts to build insane abdominal control. Lie on your back with arms extended overhead and legs straight. Now lift your shoulders and legs a few inches off the floor, keeping your lower back pressed firmly against the mat. This is your hold. Your entire core should feel tight and activated, like you're turning your belly into steel. Hold this position as long as you can. If it's too intense, bend your knees slightly or keep your arms at your sides. If you feel your back arching, reset. It's better to hold perfect form for 20 seconds than bad form for 60. Try pulsing your arms or legs slightly for added challenge. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth, and stay focused. This move teaches body control, deepens core strength, and trains the muscles that flatten your belly from the inside. Hold for 1 minute total. Every second you hold is progress earned. Exercise 2. Russian twists. Now we finish strong with a rotational core blaster Russian twist. This move targets your obliques, waistline, and entire core while boosting fat loss through high engagement. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet either flat or slightly lifted off the ground. Lean back slightly, keeping your back straight and core tight. Clasp your hands together and twist your torso to the right, then to the left, tapping the floor each time. Every twist activates your side abs, which helps shrink your waist and define the V-lines near your hips. It also trains rotational strength and balance. Add a dumbbell or water bottle to your hands to make it harder. Keep your eyes on your hands to control the motion. This is your finisher, so give it all you've got. Stay light on your feet and twist with control. Perform for 1 minute, alternating sides. Breathe deeply and finish strong. This is where you lock in the burn and close the workout feeling like a fat-burning champion. Exercise 3. Mountain climbers. It's time to crank up the fat burn with a powerful full-body move, mountain climbers. This dynamic exercise fuses cardio, core, and coordination into one fast-paced belly fat burner. Start in a high plank, hands under your shoulders, legs extended and body in a straight line. Now drive your right knee toward your chest, then switch legs quickly as if you're running horizontally. Your abs, shoulders, and legs are all engaged and your heart rate climbs, which means you're torching fat while strengthening your core. The key to mountain climbers is controlled speed. Don't bounce or let your hips rise. Keep your core tight and think about pulling your knees from your abs, not just your legs. Try interval bursts. Go all out for 10 seconds, slow down for 5, then repeat. This keeps your metabolism guessing and your body in burn mode. Do this for 1 minute. Feel that fire in your belly? That's not just sweat, it's transformation in progress. Keep climbing, you're more than halfway there. Exercise 4. Standing cross crunches. Let's fire up the fat loss with one of the best standing up exercises, standing cross crunches. This is a no equipment full body move that engages your core, activates your obliques, and gets your heart rate up from the start. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, hands behind your head, elbows wide. Now bring your right knee up while twisting your left elbow down toward it like a diagonal crunch. Return to standing, then switch sides. Keep alternating. The key is control, not speed. Focus on the twist, feel your core contract. This twist increases crunch motion sculpts the sides of your waist and tightens the lower belly. It also improves balance and posture. What makes this exercise powerful is that it combines core contraction with cardio movement, helping you burn fat while building definition. You'll start to feel the heat in your abs within seconds. Exhale on every crunch to engage your deep core muscles. Inhale as you reset to standing. That breathing rhythm helps maximize fat burn. Do this for 60 seconds. It's simple, effective, and the perfect way to wake up your body and say, let's burn some belly fat today. Exercise 5. Bear crawls. It's time to wake up your entire core with a dynamic fat-burning move, bear crawls. This exercise is not just fun, it's a total body belly fat blaster that mimics primal movement for powerful results. Start in a tabletop position, hands under shoulders, knees under hips, but keep your knees just an inch off the ground. Now crawl forward by moving your opposite hand and foot together, right hand, left foot, then left hand, right foot. Keep your core tight and your back flat like a tabletop. Move forward 4 steps, then backward 4 steps. That's 1 round. This move fires up your entire core, shoulders, legs, and even your coordination. It creates a cardio effect while also sculpting your midsection from all angles. It's especially great for targeting the lower belly, which is one of the hardest spots to tone. Stay low and controlled. The lower your knees hover, the harder your abs work. Just 30 seconds of forward and backward crawling will leave you sweating and smiling because you'll know your belly fat is running out of time. Exercise 6. High knees. Now it's time to boost your metabolism and burn serious calories with one of the most powerful fat burners, high knees. This isn't just running in place, it's controlled core-powered cardio. Start jogging in place, but instead of a regular jog, drive your knees up high, ideally up to hip level. Keep your arms bent at 90 degrees and pump them naturally. Alternatively, hold them straight out in front of you and aim to tap your knees to your palms with every lift. This exercise engages your lower abs, strengthens your hip flexors, and spikes your heart rate, which means more belly fat torched in less time. It's also great for building stamina and starting your day with energy. Keep your chest lifted, core tight, and shoulders relaxed. Your knees should rise with power, not momentum. For beginners, march in place with exaggerated knee lifts. For advanced intensity, go all out for 10 seconds, then slow down for 5. Repeat this interval. Do this for 1 minute. Don't worry about perfection. Just keep moving, keep breathing, and imagine every knee lift helping you melt away that belly fat. Exercise 7. Plank to knee tap. Time to sculpt your abs while strengthening your upper body with a controlled burner plank to knee tap. This move hits your entire core, especially your lower abs, and adds stability training at the same time. Start in a high plank, hands under shoulders, legs extended, core tight, body in a straight line. From here, gently bend one knee and tap it to the ground, then return to plank. Switch to the other side and repeat. Don't rush. This move is about stability and core control, not speed. Each knee tap challenges your transverse abdominis, the deep abdominal muscle responsible for a flat stomach and strong posture. The movement also strengthens your shoulders, arms, and glutes, making it a full body stabilizer. Keep your hips level. Imagine balancing a cup of water on your back. Breathe in as you hold the plank and exhale when you tap. If needed, drop to your forearms or perform from your knees to modify. The important part is consistency and form. Do this for a full minute. This is one of those deceptively simple moves that delivers real fat-burning, belly-flattening results. Exercise 8. Flutter Kicks. Now let's target your lower abs, the spot that's often the hardest to flatten. Flutter Kicks are a small movement with massive core sculpting power. Lie on your back with your legs extended and hands tucked beneath your glutes for support. Raise your heels about 4 to 6 inches off the ground. Now, keeping your legs straight, alternate kicking them up and down like you're fluttering in water. Keep your lower back pressed firmly against the mat. This is crucial. If it arches, bend your knees slightly or lift your legs higher. The key is to feel deep engagement in the lower belly. Flutter Kicks activate your transverse abdominis, hip flexors, and even improve core endurance. You'll feel the burn early, and that's a good sign. Keep your core engaged the whole time and move your legs with tight, sharp motion, not lazy swings. For an added challenge, raise your head and shoulders slightly off the ground. Do this for 60 seconds. It's tough, but remember, this is where real change happens. Push through the burn and you're one step closer to a flat, tight core. Exercise 9. Reverse crunch. Let's isolate your lower belly with one of the most focused core moves, reverse crunches. Lie on your back, knees bent at 90 degrees, and feet lifted off the ground. Place your hands flat beside you or under your hips. Using your lower abs, lift your hips off the floor and curl your knees toward your chest, then slowly lower back down. This controlled movement targets the lower rectus abdominis, the part most people struggle to define. Unlike regular crunches that strain your neck, reverse crunches are safer and hyper-focused on the belly. Avoid Avoid using momentum. It's all about curling your pelvis off the ground with strength, not speed. Your back should stay relaxed and your focus on the pull from the core. Squeeze your abs at the top of each crunch for a split second. That contraction is where the magic happens. Perform this for 1 minute. The burn might feel intense, but this is how you carve out a tight-toned lower belly that no amount of dieting alone can achieve. Exercise 10. Plank hip dips. Next up, we sculpt your side abs and waistline with a move that carves definition: plank hip dips. Start in a forearm plank, elbows under shoulders, feet extended, body in a straight line. From here, slowly twist your hips to one side, dipping them toward the floor, then back to center. Repeat on the other side. You should feel your obliques, lower abs and core stabilizers working together. It's also amazing for your lower back and posture. Keep your movements controlled and steady. No jerking, think smooth rhythmic motion. This makes it more effective and prevents injury. Widen your feet for more stability or narrow them for a harder challenge. Either way, keep your core tight and your hips low. This is a killer move for shaping a lean waist and improving total core strength. Perform for 1 minute. Your sculpting definition that turns heads and strengthens your spine. You made it. And that's something to celebrate, because most people never take this first step. But you did. You showed up for yourself. You committed. And if you felt your core burning, your body sweating, and your motivation rising, that means your belly fat is already under attack. But here's the secret: consistency is everything. This 10-minute routine isn't just a one-off trick, it's a tool that works when you work it. So here's what I want you to do next. Bookmark this video. Commit to doing it every single morning for the next 7 days. Then come back and comment, "Day 7, I feel it." Because the truth is, results don't come from what we do once. They come from what we do daily. And if you want to multiply these results, make sure to check out my 7-day flat belly series, linked right here on screen and in the description. It includes bonus workouts, recovery tips, and mindset shifts to take your transformation even further. And hey, don't forget to hit that like button if this routine made you feel empowered. It helps us reach more people who are just like you, ready for real change. Subscribe if you haven't already. We're building a powerful community here, and I'd love for you to be part of it. You crushed it today. See you in the next one.